Assalamu alaikum. Dear students of class Matric, I am your teacher Nida Naqvi and this is your online virtual class organized by Metropolitan School. As you know that we have completed our syllabus and it's time to review the chapters. Okay, so today that's why you are going to prepare for your exams. So I have a discussion with you about your model paper. Okay, so if you talk about your papers, so you will have 3 sections in English paper, section A, section B and section C. Okay, time duration will be 2 hours and maximum marks of this subject is 75. Now come on section A, which is a compulsory section. Compulsory means you need to attempt this section in any condition. Okay, so before start discussion about this section, we need to read the note which is more important. First one is that you need to attempt all questions as I have told you in the beginning. This is compulsory, so you need to attempt all the questions. Don't copy down questions. You just write correct answer and against the number of questions. Don't waste your time to write the whole statement in your answer sheet because it has been instructed that you just need to write your answer against question number. Then come on the marks. If you talk about the marks of each multiple choice question, so each question carries 1 mark. You will get 37 MCQs in this section and you need to attempt all. In this section, which topics you need to revise. Okay, I am giving you some suggestions, some guidelines so you can prepare this section easily. Now, you need to prepare and review articles, okay, then prepositions. The next one, active and passive voice. And the next one is direct and indirect speech. Indirect speech and conditional sentences, which we have done last week. Conditional sentences and degree of adjectives, punctuation. You need to know how to punctuate a sentence. Okay, this is a very important. It will help you a lot to gain a marks. Next one is suffix and prefix. We have done in class 9th as well. And the last, you need to overview all the chapters and poem of your book. So, after reviewing these all topics, you can easily attempt all questions of section A. So, you will get 35 marks from this section. Now, come on section B. Section B is of 24 marks, which is comprised of 3 questions. Section B is comprised of 3 questions. Now talk about question number 1. Answer any 6 out of 10. You will get 8 questions and you need to answer any 6 of them. It's up to you. You have a choice here. And this question number 2 is 12 marks. Now you will get easily 12 marks to attempt any 6 questions, which will be from the chapters and the poems. Next one is question number 3. Use any 3 idioms in your sentences. You will get 6 idioms over there. You need to choose any 3 of them and then you need to use 3 idioms in your sentences. Just make sentences. Don't need to write meanings over there because it has been given in the question that you need to make a sentence here. Now come on question number 4. Question number 4. Fill in the blanks with the correct contextual word. It means these blanks will be from the chapters and the poems. So, you have already reviewed the chapters for the multiple choice question. So you can attempt this question very easily. You will get 8 blanks and you need to choose any 6. Then how many marks will you get from section this question? 6 marks. Now come on section number C, which is descriptive answer question. As cleared from the section name descriptive, this is a detail. Fine. The marks of this section is 14 marks. In this section, in question number 5, you need to write an essay about 100 and 120 words. Not too lengthy, don't you waste time on writing extra, okay? You just keep it in your mind that you need to write 100 and 120 words essay. In this question, you will get 4 options. You will get, how many options you will get here? 4. Okay, so you need to choose the one, which one you are confident that you have sufficient knowledge and you can write on that topic easily in detail. So you need to choose the best topic in which you will be confident. So you will get 7 marks from the question number 5. If we talk about next question, here is another choice for you. Here is a choice between application and letter. It's up to you. You can write application. If you are confident in letter, so you can write letter as well. Now in this question, question number 6 carries 4 marks. You need to attempt any one, application or letter. It's up to you. Now come on question number 7, which is the last question of section C. Translate any 3 sentences into English. You will get 5 Urdu sentences. You need to translate any 3 into English. And then you will get 3 marks here. You can do it very easily because for section A you have already prepared tenses and conditional sentences. So you can translate 3 sentences into English very easily. Now this is all about your model paper. I have given you the guideline how to prepare for the papers. Now you need to repeat all these topics which I have written on the board for the MCQs and translation, and you need to read all the chapters again. Okay, so this is the model paper which we have discussed today. Now next week we will discuss the sections in detail. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.